In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Shopify recovery code. If you've set up two-step authentication on your Shopify account, you're on the right track to keeping your store secure. This authentication usually involves a verification code sent to your mobile device, ensuring that only you can access your account. However, what happens if you lose access to your phone or can't receive codes? That's when the recovery code becomes essential, acting as your backup entry point to the account. Let's go through how you can locate this critical piece of information. To get started, you'll need to log into your Shopify admin panel using your credentials. It's worth mentioning that this action requires direct access to your Shopify account. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to the User Profile section by clicking on your account name or avatar, typically located in the top right corner of your screen. This section contains all the essential information related to your account and its management, so it's a good spot to familiarize yourself with in general. Next, you'll want to select Manage Account from the drop-down menu. This is where you'll find various settings related to your account, including security options. Security settings are crucial when managing your online store, given the sensitive information processed by Shopify, from customer data to payment information. Once you reach the account management page, look for a section labeled Security. Click on it to proceed. Within the security settings, you should see information related to two-step authentication. This section includes the option to view or manage your recovery codes. If you're ever locked out of your account, these recovery codes are your lifeline, enabling you to regain access when other methods aren't available. When you find the option to view the recovery codes, go ahead and select it. You will then be prompted to authenticate your identity, and this is generally a precaution Shopify takes to ensure the owner of the account is the one accessing sensitive information. After a successful verification, you'll be presented with your recovery codes. These codes are unique to your account and are used in situations where standard two-step authentication is not possible, such as losing access to your authentication app or device. It's highly recommended to store these recovery codes in a safe place. You might want to consider a password manager, a secure note-taking app, or even manually writing them down on a piece of paper stored in a secure physical location. Avoid leaving them on shared or easily accessible digital platforms, as their compromise could lead to unauthorized access to your account. And there you have it. You've successfully located your Shopify recovery code. Remember that these codes are crucial in account recovery scenarios, offering an invaluable safety net if you ever encounter difficulties with your standard verification process. Thanks for watching, and make sure to keep these codes secure to maintain the integrity and safety of your store.